Hello, my name is Pranav Mane. I am from Solapur. I am happy to share my experience with the Evision Technoserve. It is a consultant company. They provide training and placement. I joined Evision to improve my technical skills and knowledge. I learn about networking, ticketing tools, and daily related IT issues. The Evision team helped me a lot, and side by side they help me resume building and in interview also they give me interview tips. Due to their guidance, I joined as a desktop support engineer in vi company. The package I got 2.3 lp. I am thanking lot for evision team. Thank you.